Visiting a waterfall is one of the most unique experiences ever. From the tallest one that fall from thousands of feet to the ones that offer adventurous hikes, these waterfalls will delight the traveler in you. Today we will talk about the most famous waterfalls in the world is Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls located between the twin cities of Ontario and New York. Total height of Niagara Falls is 51 meters. Some people think Niagara is just one giant falls, but actually there are three in total: the American Falls, Bridal Falls, and Horseshoe Falls. The first person to go over the falls in a barrel and survive was a 63-year-old female schoolteacher. It is estimated that around 30 million people visit Niagara Falls each year. One of the most popular attractions is the Maid of the Boat Cruise, which takes visitors right into the falls. If you like this video, please subscribe and share my channel.